Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy M10. So what we need for is the power button and the volume down button. If you press these both buttons for the same time, you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button for the same time, and you will have a screenshot. To have a preview, you can just scroll down here like this and you can tap it here, and then you have the opportunity to share it directly, maybe on WhatsApp or something like this, or to edit it. If you go on edit, you are now able to crop stuff here. Maybe if you want to crop a picture or something like this, or you can write something also, or to make it brighter, and so on and so on. If you're ready with, just go on save, and your screenshots is part of the gallery. Yeah, and where to find the screenshots after? Of course, at the gallery, as I said. So let's go to the gallery here, and as you can see, I had already some tries, and here's our Google bar. And yeah, a nice overview you have also on the category albums, because the screenshots have this own folder. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it could help you with it. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested, don't know me, just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.